How you doing, friends? Welcome back. My name is Rick and this is Windersranger. I've wanted to put a keyless entry on my RV for quite a while, but I haven't been able to decide what company that I wanted to go with or what manufacturer. There's a couple of, or at least one manufacturer that I can think of that makes keyless entry for RVs. I've seen mixed reviews on their product as to what kind of quality it is and how it holds up and various issues. I know that there's people out there that have installed residential deadbolts on their RV, so I thought, well, I wonder if there's a residential keyless entry that I could sort of retrofit to work on the RV. Well, I ran across one, and it's called the Ultraloq U Bolt Pro, and that's what we're going to make an attempt at in installing on the RV today. It looks like it'll work. I've got all the dimensions and the templates and everything. I think it's going to work okay. So today we're going to get all the tools out and we're going to see if we can make this work. So if you want to see if this works, if it fits in an RV, stay tuned. We'll find out. What it comes with in the box: you've got the finger scanner / keypad. You've got the backing plate for the back of the inside knob transmitter, which would be this item over here. The batteries go up in this portion. In the back, you can see where the plate there attaches to the back of this, and you've also got the motor there. And then in the center, between the black and the silver, is the plug, which is on the back of here. This is the plug portion. You've also got your mounting screws. These are your stud screws. That would work in conjunction with this and your striker plate. That gives you more of a kick resistance. It screws deeper into the stud of the door to prevent somebody from kicking the door open. You've got the locking mechanism itself. You've got 4 AA batteries and a makeshift Phillips and flathead screwdriver that comes in the package. This locking system, or this deadbolt system, is kind of like 4 locks in one. Let me see if I can find on the box here where it talks about it. See if I can show this. You can see on the box here it can work in conjunction with your smartphone, the fingerprint, push button code, and there's also a key set. To access the key portion, this front faceplate folds down and it exposes the deadbolt key where you can operate it with a standard key. And on the bottom here, I've seen where some of these have had a battery backup, but this hole looks like it's filled in. I don't know if that's just a plug that will come out. I think it's a plug, so you can stick a micro USB and power the lock. Should the batteries inside the inside portion go dead, you can power the lock from the outside by plugging in a micro USB. I'll have to look at the instructions, and I'll give you more on that later. Got everything working as far as the electronics are concerned to make sure that it functioned okay. So today we're going to get all the tools out and we're going to see if we can make this work. So if you want to see if this works, if it fits in an RV, stay tuned. We'll find out.